Hello everyone, my name is Esteban Quintero Palacios and today I want to tell you about my biggest fears and phobias science I was a child, okay? So this is a part of me and I think that is very emotionally talk about these topics. And so the first person phobias present by Esteban Quintero Palacios. Let me okay. Okay. The first fear is fear of dark, and I think that when I was a child, when I was a kid, I was terrified of the dark. I always imagined strange shapes and scary noises, so make me feel stressed and uncomfortable. I think, and as a consequence, I used to sleep with a small light on every night. Okay, even today, when I place is fully light, I still feel a little bit nervous. So this is the first fear of the dark that I have. The second fear that I have, I think that is the arachnophobia or these animals like spiders. So when I was a child, I saw a spider and I immediately called someone to help me to remove it. And even right now, when I see a big one, makes me feel shocked and disgusted, of course. So the third The third fear, I think that is acrophobia or fear of heights. And so later in my childhood, I developed a fear of heights. I remember climbing a tall slide at a park and feeling paralyzed and stuck. And today I can manage it better, but when I look down on a high place, I still feel overwhelmed and very disgusting. Another fear that I think that is important to talk about this is fear of needless. So when I was young, I also have a big fear of this kind of things that like needless. So vaccination were terrified for me now because of this. Every medical appointment made me feel anxious and before arriving, no, long before arriving. So now that I am older, and especially because I study health science, and I am less afraid, but I still get a little tense when I see the needless and the other. And another fear that I think that is very important to talk about too is the agoraphobia because I think that is my personality because I sometimes feel nervous in crowded place. Being surrounded by so many people can be stressful and confusing. So as a consequence, I think I prefer and spaces where I can move freely. You know, it's not a serious phobia, but it still affects me sometimes, of course. And and this is all for me. Thanks for watching the video and see you later soon.